Welcome to Pip Insight. Tuesday the 14th of July, London pre-open. This session we have analyzed 8 Forex pairs and selected the 7 with the clearest technical picture, 3 showing bullish structure and 4 showing bearish structure. Every chart shows support and resistance zones and moving average alignment so you can see the technical picture at a glance. Let's get into it. Here is today's London pre-open chart analysis. Pairs showing bullish structure, dollar yen, dollar Swiss, Kiwi dollar. Pairs showing bearish structure, gold dollar, euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie dollar. Full chart breakdown for each pair coming up now. Remember, this is educational content only, not financial advice. If you've been waiting for the gold breakdown, here it is. Price is sitting at $4,033 as London opens, and the structure is telling a clear story. On the 4-hour chart, gold has been carving lower highs and lower lows all the way down from $4,148, and that dominant downtrend remains intact. Both the 4-hour 20 and 50 EMAs are overhead, rolling over, with the RSI deep in oversold territory at 23. Now, oversold alone doesn't mean reversal, it means the move is stretched and deserves respect in both directions. The level that matters most to the upside is the $4,060 to $4,075 zone. That's where price broke down hard on Sunday, and it now sits as the first serious ceiling on any recovery attempt. To the downside, $3,990 to $4,005 is the area buyers defended aggressively to stage this bounce. Those are your 2 bookends for the session. And here's where it gets interesting, US CPI drops at 8:30 Eastern. Forecasts are calling for headline inflation to cool to 3.8% annually. A softer print typically pressures the dollar, which historically gives gold a lift. A hotter number could reinforce dollar strength and renew selling pressure on the metal. Then Fed Chairman Warsh testifies at 10, any hawkish tone there could cap any bounce attempt hard. Watch how gold reacts around $4,040 and $4,060 as London gets moving. Euro dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.1418 and 1.1422. Support is marked between 1.1378 and 1.1382. Here is the full chart breakdown. Pound dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside and the 1-hour is also pointing lower. Resistance is marked between 1.337 and 1.338. Support is marked between 1.3343 and 1.3353. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar yen. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside. Resistance is marked between 162.47 and 162.51. Support is marked between 162.22 and 162.26. Here is the full chart breakdown. Dollar Swiss. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.8149 and 0.8155. Support is marked between 0.813 and 0.8138. Here is the full chart breakdown. Aussie dollar. The chart is showing bearish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the downside. Resistance is marked between 0.6952 and 0.69565. Support is marked between 0.6916 and 0.69195. Here is the full chart breakdown. Kiwi dollar. The chart is showing bullish structure on this session. The 4-hour trend is to the upside and the 1-hour is also pointing higher. Resistance is marked between 0.58 and 0.581. Support is marked between 0.5752 and 0.5765. Here is the full chart breakdown. That is the London pre-open analysis from Pip Insight. We covered 8 pairs this session, bringing you the ones with the clearest chart structure. All content is educational only and is not financial advice. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe. We publish 3 times every weekday: London, New York, and the Asian session. Follow us on X at Forex Insight for updates. See you next time.